My name is Kaylee Good. I live and work on board the Logos Hope ship. Besides selling books, the ship also gives out millions of free books, tracts, and Bibles. One of those is The Most Important Story Ever Told. The book teaches kids about God, sin, creation, the life of Jesus and his death and resurrection, and how they can become a child of God. One day, when the old ship, the Doulos, was in my home country, South Africa, a lady and her 5-year-old daughter came on board. After browsing around the book fair, they were given the book called The Most Important Story Ever Told. That night, the mom and her daughter read the story together. The girl had heard about Jesus before, but the book just explained it so well, and it all made sense. In the end of the story, when the boy prayed the sinner's prayer, the little girl also did, and she gave her heart to Jesus. That was 15 years ago, and that little girl was me. Now I am living and working on board the Logos Hope and preparing for a life in missions. Now, whenever I have the chance, I love to give out these books to the children I meet in the countries we visit. At the moment, we are in the Philippines, and my friends and I have been giving books to the street children. These children grow up in very poor environments, and some of their mothers are involved in prostitution. It is my prayer that not only the children would read this Bible, but that their parents and siblings will also, and that they would be able to come into a personal relationship with Jesus Christ. And now, the seed that was sown into my life so many years ago, I am now able to sow into the lives of children around the world. The ship will continue to sow these seeds for many more years, and so can you. Visit our website at gbaships.org and become part of the ministry.